Hi, we wanted to show you very quickly FortiManager Cloud. And what you're seeing here is the minimum set that you would need is the entitlement of 360 protection on all the gates. That needs management from FortiManager Cloud, right? So, and the entitlements actually kind of show you all the details of everything that is included as part of the 360 protection, which is attached to the FortiGates. Now let's take a look at, for example, the FortiManager console itself, and you're seeing that you can do an SSO once you've logged in the FortiCloud portal. And in the FortiManager Cloud portal, we are seeing that there is one device, which is branch 161E, that is already being managed by FortiManager Cloud. And by the way, a FortiManager Cloud has the same software as a FortiManager VM, right? So the features are on par. And you're seeing that once I get into this FortiGate 61E, which is a second branch, and we're trying to provision a new branch into FortiManager Cloud, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, just picking the management by FortiManager Cloud. And then once we go back to the FortiManager Cloud portal, you got to come back here to authorize that device. And we're just showing you after authorization, the device would show up in Device Manager, very similar to how branch 1 is showing up, and you now can see that. But you do see that policy package status is showing as never installed, right? So now let's look at how you can import the policy from branch 2 and make it synchronous to what is available in the Manager Cloud version as well. And you're seeing how we are doing that. It's as simple as just clicking one button, and we also enable you to resolve any conflicts if you may. And very quickly, you're able to see that we have two branches which are under management by FortiManager, and the configuration is synchronized between both the FortiGates that are being managed as well as FortiManager Cloud that is managing it. Now let's take a look at the SD-WAN use case, right? So in this particular scenario, we're saying that we have a golden config, which is as part of branch 1, and this is the configuration, which is an SD-WAN template. And we plan to take that golden config and push that golden config to any other devices that are part of my SD-WAN network, right? So in this particular case, we have a branch 2 device, which is again under management. And you would see that we're going to push the SD-WAN config into branch 2 as well. So previously we've seen importing the branch 2's policy, and now you're seeing how we are pushing the SD-WAN template into branch 2 as well, again leveraging the same centralized management console that we have through FortiManager Cloud. So here what you're seeing is, as part of SD-WAN, we do show you some of the analytics, which are like how are my interfaces doing, what is the jitter, and so forth. Now, beyond that, if you want detailed logging and analytics around that, we have FortiAnalyzer, which is a core part of FortiCloud, which is, again, you don't need to log into a different console. You just click a button and it takes you to the FortiAnalyzer Cloud. In FortiAnalyzer Cloud, and you have similar reporting that we have within our on-prem version as well, that is available in the FortiAnalyzer Cloud. So what you're seeing here is kind of because FortiManager manages all of this, you can go to FortiManager very quickly and change your configuration on your devices to push the logs in real time to the FortiAnalyzer cloud. And then as we go to log view, you can very easily kind of look at all the logs that are generated by your gates in one place, and you have the same templates, I think almost 47 templates, CAN templates that are available here for reporting, the same thing that we are used to in the on-prem world as well.